Hi, I'm Cristobal, creator of TRARO. Today we'll see the full workflow of this movement engine for Revit. You can access it directly from its own tab in the ribbon. Inside the console, you see the system's brain, 15 movement styles, physics controls, and a manual path editor. Let's see how it works. First, define the target with Pick Object. I'll select the building. Let's go to the architectural collection and activate TRARO Orbit. Pure geometry. A perfect 360-degree loop, ideal for showing clean volume. Now, let's add drama with the Director's Collection. Activate Epic Rise. This isn't just going up, it's a logarithmic move. The camera starts close and slow, then opens up and accelerates as it rises. It's the perfect shot to reveal the full scale of your project. And for action, Drone Collection. Mode Prey Lock. This is a lateral movement with smart tracking. The camera rotates to keep the target centered. You get an automatic cinematic parallax effect. To control the feel, use the physics sliders. Speed intensity sets the angular velocity. Movement span decides if you want a full loop or just a quarter turn. And radius and height lets you reframe in real time. Want to direct your own shot? Go to the Path Editor, position your camera at point A and click Move to point B. Frame it and click Add again. TRARO interpolates the physics and smooths the curve automatically. Set the duration and you're done. Finally, the output. In the export section, besides 4K, we have the star feature. Vertically, the software automatically crops the viewport for Reels or TikTok. Select MP4, click Render, and in minutes, your video is ready to upload. Download the beta and start directing.